Hey, welcome to CryptoReality. I'm just having a bad day, but I want you to share this chart that I'm looking for XRP. Please be advised that I'm not your financial advisor, I'm just sharing you my ideas here. So now let's dive in with XRP. US dollars, here's your daily time frame, and now we're breaking this trend line that I've drawn, which is now we're sitting at 2.83. And also your RSI got rejected to this trend line, huh? It didn't break to the upside, so let's see on the lower time frame. Look at your 4-hour charts. So I guess this trend line won't last long. So I'm gonna remove my RSI first. And as you can see, we got rejected here at 20 MA. This blue line. So I'm expecting here to break it and go in low. How much lower? So the lowest possible, a lot possible, but right now I'm expecting XRP to go low at 2.78 or 2.75 area. A share Fibonacci tells that. So what's the worst case scenario that I'm looking here? So let's go on a weekly, so we can, of course, if we're in doubt, just zoom out and see the chart that we're still bullish, because we're still holding the 20 EMA here, kind of, but I don't want to see this one, this kind of pattern here. You see this one, I don't want to see this pattern to play out here, because if we do that, I'm not saying we're going to go bear market if we do this, but I'm expecting if we did that, expect the worst case scenario, going back down here to your trend line at 2.15, 2.10, or even $2, then gonna consolidate before heading to the upside. And that's going to have a double top, right? This one and this one. So how can I say that we're going up? Let's go on a BTC USD. So yeah, as you can see here, we got this. You see this one, guys? So I'm gonna adjust this trend line here, like we're doing this right now. There. I think XRP will do that. And this is going to be your $5.89 to your potential 8 or 9 here, then going to the $15 to $21 as our price targets. So now let's go back to XRP. Sorry for that, that's not my chart anyway. There. So that's what I am expecting there. Oh, what am I deleting here? So expect the worst case scenario dropping down here, but still bullish, guys. And I think this 5 days remaining in the weekly time frame is going to be red. Maybe in the first week of October we're going to see reds, and by the second week, if I'm not mistaken, when the ETF comes, then maybe we can start the bullish case. Oh, I'm still holding on to 4 weeks, 4 green candles for the top. So I'm expecting first to second week of November as the top of the market. As you can see in the past, we always have this 1, 2, 3, 4th candle before the top, and then consolidate, and then this 1, 2, 3, 4th candle as your market top before the next bear market. So now I am seeing that, and as you can see here in the 2021 top, you still have this 1, 2, 3, 4th. Oh, here's your 5th candle, but it's here your breakout candle, 1, 2, 3, 4th candle as your market top, right? And the measured move, this one still based on our trend line here. So if you can see that this is inverse head and shoulder, yeah, or our cup and handle, as I can say. Sorry, this is a cup and handle, this is your cup, this is your handle, and here's your measured move from this. Yeah, there you go, you see that. So if we're doing it right now, yes, just like what I've said, this is my possible targets, right? The 4.86, this 5.89, a good number, which is historical 589 XRP, and $15 as this trend line of the bull flag, and this triangle, long triangle, $15. But if there's the case like we did, maybe the top is below is this one. This is your cap and handle, and again I'm gonna take this cup and handle pattern and this one, and you're gonna get this 5.89. Of course we're going to do it like this because there's a breakout candle there, right? So yeah, that's what I am seeing here in XRP right now. So let's watch this candle to close here. I hope it stays above this 20 moving average, or at the EMA, should I say. I'm sorry for that. For the lower time frame, what are we gonna expect here? It's a dump, you know, guys. It's a fucking dump. Yeah, just like this trend line we're doing. If we manage to hold this, that's good, but I don't think. I guess sellers is stronger than the bulls now. If we break this, you know what's gonna happen. We're gonna drop. Potential short for that, and we're gonna go for your take profit is here at 2.8 area. You can go on short to this. Yeah, like this one. If you break that, yeah, there you go. Here, sure, take profit here, and this is going to be your stop loss there. So if you manage to break down there and have this confirmation candle, of course wait for the confirmation candle before you enter, okay? Not just because it breaks we're gonna go low. Maybe we can fake out and then move backward to the upside, but unless you see the confirmation candle, then we go on to the targets that we have. So that's all for today. I hope you liked the video, you learned something from it. So please do me a favor, hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. Thank you, bye bye.